To connect your Audeze Maxwell to PC. So the best way to do this is to just use the included USB-C or the whichever wireless dongle they give you, since it can give a low latency wireless audio. So first of all, you're gonna have to set the dongle to PC mode. So there's going to be a switch at the bottom of the USB. Make sure it is set to PC, since Audeze specifically says to set the dongle switch to PC, of course, before plugging it into a PC or Mac. Then just go ahead and plug the dongle into your PC. So it should look something like this, and the dongle itself is already set to the PC mode. So you can see there's that option, and just plug it into any USB port on your PC. Then just make sure your headset is already turned on, and you're gonna go ahead into your PC settings just to make sure it is set to your headphones. So you're gonna go ahead here into system, go ahead into sound, go to output, and you're gonna have to find the specific headphone model you're using, which is going to be the Audeze Maxwell. So go ahead and find it over here on the output, and if you'd like, you can also put in the input if you have the headphones, the microphone, So make sure these are both set already here, so that it's going to be default when you open up other apps or games. So you can just go ahead and test the audio and mic. You can play the sound, see if it plays in your headphones, and you can test the mic in basically here. You can just test it by opening up your microphone and do a start test to see if it can hear your microphone. But that's pretty much how you can connect your Audeze Maxwell to your PC. So hopefully this video can help. Please like and subscribe if it can, and that's all.